Customer satisfaction dashboards measure how satisfied your customers are with the service they have received. It is important to have a dedicated dashboard for customer satisfaction, as you can really dive into your satisfaction metrics and immediately take action on any dip in your feedback. This video gives you a quick overview of how to create a customer satisfaction data dashboard with Rapidomize. As you may already know, our user interface is very easy to navigate, and you have many options to create a custom dashboard of your preference. It's simple yet versatile, scalable, and responsive, and you can see the real-time visibility of your data in the dashboard in no time. We are going to create this dashboard with data obtained from a customer satisfaction survey, and we will be using Net Promoter Scores, response time of staff, number of customers per month, and customer satisfaction score as our matrices to analyze customer satisfaction. You can use any other key matrix you prefer when you make your own dashboard, as Rapidomize is a customizable platform, and we have a large library of charts and visuals for you to display your results. Here we have our customer satisfaction data in a database, and we will be using it to create the dashboard. Okay, let's see how we can create this dashboard very quickly with Rapidomize. Open Rapidomize and click Rapid Interfaces icon on the menu. Click on the plus button to start creating a new rapid interface. Name your new rapid interface. Now, click Create/Edit Rapid Interface button to start creating your dashboard. You will be directed to the Rapid Interface Editor. Here, in the Rapid Interface Editor, you have all the UI widgets or components that you need to create your dashboard on the left-hand side menu. You can use row widget and column widget as basic tools to create your layout. If you need more details on how to use rapid interface components to make different interfaces, refer to our documentation for rapid interfaces. Now let's see how we can adjust settings of a widget. You only need to click the widget to open the right-hand side settings panel. In the settings panel, you can see two tabs, General tab and Styles tab. Using the General tab, you can set the title, data sources, and several other actions. Using the Styles tab, you can set the width, height, font size, color, and many more styles of a widget. Now, I am going to start creating the layout of our dashboard. First, add a row to the editor. This is for the title of the dashboard. Now, add a label inside your row to type the title. Here, it will be Customer Survey Dashboard. Select Styles tab to set the height, font size, color, and other settings to customize your title the way you want. If you want to center your label, set Margin to Auto. Since we have 4 charts on our dashboard, we need to divide the dashboard space into 2 equal sections. To do this, add a row below the title row and add 2 columns into this new row to divide the dashboard space into 2. Use the Setup widget for each column and set the width for each section as per your requirements. Here, I am setting equal widths for these 2 columns. Now is the time to add charts. Add 2 chart widgets to the column on the left-hand side and 2 more to the right-hand side column. From the Settings panel, you can set the size, color, margins, etc. for each chart. Next step is to put the chart titles. Click on each chart and type the relevant chart title on its title box. Once you have finished typing your chart titles, save your dashboard layout using this Save button at the top right corner. You can also adjust other settings like margins to visualize your data very clearly. Can you believe that we have finished creating the basic layout for our dashboard so easily? Next step is to use an ICApps workflow to source data to populate these charts. This is the most interesting part and the part of the process that automate your dashboard creation. Now, let's see how to create an ICApps workflow to get your data automatically from your data source to the dashboard. To create a new ICApp, click on the Intelligent Connected Apps button on the left-hand side menu and click on Create an ICApp button. Give a name for your ICApp and select Create or Edit in Flow Editor. You can refer instructions on creating ICApps in our documentation under Getting Started. For this ICApp, we are going to use a database as our source to get required data for the dashboard. You can also use Sheets as your data source, like Google Sheets, Microsoft Excel, and other similar sheets. Now we are going to select our trigger, which is API Gateway. Drag and drop API Gateway to the workflow screen. Select your app or device which will connect your dashboard to your ICApp. You can refer our documentation for API Gateway for further details. Click Select button and select Receive API Requests as your trigger function. We use PostgreSQL as our database here. So, drag and drop it to the workflow worksheet as the action. Select Query Tables, select the database schema and table. Optionally, you can specify a condition for the data filtration. In the configuration for type of query, select Query with a filter condition. You can use MySQL, MongoDB, and other similar databases as well. Connect to the trigger. Select API routes: 0. Set the API route method to GET. Specify the path for your API endpoint. Set response field of the API gateway by selecting #PostgreSQL:1 from your sample data generated for PostgreSQL. Since we have 4 widgets in our dashboard, that is 4 charts, we need to source data 3 more times. Drag and drop 3 more PostgreSQL nodes and connect them to the trigger. Repeat the same for all other PostgreSQL nodes. Once you are done, click Test button in each query table menu to get some sample data. Select the relevant macro for each API route. For example, if connecting second PostgreSQL node to API gateway, set #PostgreSQL:2 in the response field in API gateway. Save and run your ICApp. Now go back to your dashboard by clicking Rapid Interfaces icon on the menu and selecting the edit icon of your relevant interface. You will be redirected to the Rapid Interface Editor. Select Create/Edit Rapid Interface button to edit your interface. You will be directed to the layout of your Rapid Interface. To populate the charts, click on each chart and on the Setup widget, select the ICApp from the right-hand configuration panel as your data source. Specify the API route you defined in the API gateway for the chart data. Select chart type from the Chart Type and Series tab and the X and Y axis for the chart. If you have more than one series in a chart, click the plus button to add series. Then type the series labels. Follow the same for all charts. You can also finalize your dashboard with any fine adjustments or balancing at this stage. Move and arrange elements by using our drag and drop functionality. Save the interface by clicking the Save button. You can preview your dashboard by clicking the eye icon. If you want to rearrange the widgets, click the Disable Preview button. Do your changes and click Save. Finally, click Rapid Interface icon on the menu and enable the dashboard checkbox of the interface you created to make it as your current dashboard. By clicking on the dashboard icon on the menu, you can view the dashboard you just created. As I conclude, I hope you can understand how easy and flexible the process is. So, Start enjoying making your dashboards with us today itself. If you come across any queries while building your dashboards, please send a message to our support team. We will be there to support you 24/7. Check out our other videos on various Rapidomize functions and don't forget to subscribe. Looking forward to seeing the informative and powerful dashboards you create with us.